Welcome to CITYHABITAT Golden Visa Greece Real Estate. Nikossepentzis present you exclusively this marvelous detached house of 265 square meters. Is located in the prime zone of Ekali, next to a park full of trees. This property with the excellent interior layout consists of a very lighted living dining room with greenery views, semi-open kitchen with all the electric appliances, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Wooden and marble floors in all areas, security alarm, CCTV, boiler, separate autonomous heating on each level and many extras. Easy parking space on a gated road, a warehouse of 29 square meters in the basement. The house is fully furnished and equipped with electrical appliances. (171 square meters of land, with plants is leading inside the apartment, giving the impression that is in an exotic place. Built year 1995 and renovated on 2018. The house is in a perfect condition, just painted. Reason of sale is relocation of the owners. Greek Golden Visa program grants a 5-year residency visa in return for an investment in real estate with the lowest cost entry in European Union, minimum investment of only €250,000. Visit historical monuments and islands in Greece, date from all time periods. Famous for its ancient civilization and magical natural landscape, Greece, this Mediterranean country, has countless hidden gems to offer. Is widely known for its friendly atmosphere and the genuine hospitality of its people. Numerous visitors fall in love with it and return every year for one more vacation, making Greece the best invest in real estate properties country. Nikossepentzis, owner of CITYHABITAT Golden Visa, has the biggest sales number on real estate in Greece. Sold a total of 901 properties in 22 years. Our experience and discretion in communicating with all parties in any agreement always achieve the best results for both parties. We are ready to assist you to sell or rent out your property, following highly effective modern sales methods. 8 out of 10 of our properties are currently selling in less than 30 days. Thanks for watching our agency presentation. You will find below contact information.